This is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the name for your games that you play on your Android phone. So if you're playing games through the Google Play Store right here, you can just go to you can click on your name, your profile, and you do have the option to edit this. So if you go to edit right here, you can change the avatar, but we want to go to our profile name. Go to the profile top, scroll on down, and we go to settings, general. Then we have play games profile right here, privacy and settings. Now we can go to gamer name and avatar, and we can now save this. Whatever we want to come up with. It looks like someone already has that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.